Hello guys, welcome to my channel on Tech Chronicle with Swastik. Today I am going to tell about database management system, that is DBMS full course on my channel. So before I will going to start, all of you like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will get the latest update regarding the course and some other information regarding computer science for upcoming courses. Today in this lecture 12 I will going to tell you about what is entity set and what are the types of entity set in DBMS. Agenda for today's classes: in this lecture 12 I will going to tell about entity set and types of entity set. In the types of entity set there are two types, that is strong entity set and weak entity set. Now coming to what is entity set. An entity set in DBMS is a set that collectively represent a group of entities of a similar type. Example we can take as an entity set of cars, an entity set of banks, accounts, etc. Now coming to the types of entity set, there are two types of entity set, that are strong entity set and weak entity set. Now coming to the first one, that is strong entity set. A strong entity set is an entity set that contains sufficient attributes to uniquely identify all its entities. In other words, a primary key exists for a strong entity set. Primary key of a strong entity set is represented by underlining it. A strong entity set can be uniquely identified by its own attributes. Example, a dormitory can be uniquely identified by its name and location. Example, a US bank is uniquely identified by its bank number. Now coming to the weak entity set, a weak entity set is an entity set that does not contain sufficient attributes to uniquely identify its entity. In other words, a primary key does not exist for a weak entity set. However, it contains a partial key called a discriminator. Discriminator can identify a group of entities from the entity set. Discriminator is represented by underlining with a dashed line. Thank you. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next upcoming lecture.